Any mention?
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27.
26 and
27, Your Lordship, they're connected matters. On the last date, Your Lordship had granted us time to seek instructions regarding the financial position of the schools, Your Lordship.
financial position of the.
Of the schools, of the school managing committee, Your Lordship.
Then what do you?
We're awaiting instructions here, Your Lordship. I require some time.
Where's Mr. Sheikh?
He's in next court, Lordship.
He's in.
Next court, Lordship.
What is in the next court?
He's saving my
Visiting?
Lordship. No, Lordship.
Yes. After 1 week.
2
No,
weeks, Your
otherwise,
Lordship.
this is a very tight case. Where will they take the money out from?
Yes, Lordship.
Recovery stopped.
It's been stopped, Your Lordship.
Okay. After 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For the as prayed for the 2 weeks times allowed to the government advocate to obtain specific instructions. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship.
28.
Yes, Lordship.
Who's the petitioner?
I have informed the petitioner.
Who's the petitioner? Mr. Mansoori.
Yes, Lordship.
Lord, this matter pertains to
Your
VC.
objection or not?
1 week,
Your objection, you say if you don't have objection, then we'll adjourn.
my lord.
Your objection?
No,
Your objection will, if you have objection, we'll take it up. No issues.
my lord.
1 week, okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
All right, sir.
At the request of someone being.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 31, my lord. This matter, my lord, we need to file a rejoinder to the additional affidavit filed by the respondent, my lord.
No, but how many times have you taken?
Well, on the last date, they have filed it, my lord.
Last date it's been filed.
I'm thinking 1 week time, my lord.
Yes, 1 week's time for rejoinder. It's in the hearing list.
My lord.
Then we'll put it back in order the column.
My lord, they have filed an additional affidavit, my lord, to that effect, my lord.
Yes. So 1 week's for 1 week's time allowed to the petitioner to file rejoinder to the additional affidavit filed by the respondents list thereafter and so on.
My lord, the interim order may continue.
Interim order of any shall continue until further orders.
Highly obliged,
So
Lordship.
you don't need to renew it anymore.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, 23 and 24, Lordship. They are connected matters.
My lord, I am the petitioner into item number 23 and 24, my lord.
Your objection?
No objection, my lord.
Why 22 all connected?
Yes, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's no matter about promotion, my lord.
Dr. Mosca is not here today. Oh, he's there. Yes, they're small matters, correct?
But next week is.
Okay, after 2 weeks, yes.
What's obliged, lordship? Is there?
Yes. Yes,
They've called the
Lordship, I beg to mention this item number 30, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation, Lordship. In this case, at least 2 weeks accommodation. 30.
30?
Yes, Lordship.
30?
30. This matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Cleverly Nongben?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, your Lordship. I'm seeking for 2 weeks' time, your Lordship. And similar prayer to connected matter, item number
Why?
9.
Mr. Depp is not there.
It's not there. It's on
25 and?
25 and connected matter, item number 9, supplementary list, your Lordship.
Hearing is in the hearing.
Yes, your Lordship.
Supplementary list?
Yes, your Lordship.
What matters then?
They are connected to pay revision, fixation of pay. Item number 9 is supplementary.
Oh, it should be listed together.
Can be listed together.
Item number 9, yes. This is in the main list, item number?
25, your Lordship.
25, yes. This on the request of so-and-so. Matter is adjourned to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, stop this together with, that is the WPC number 324/2024, the next date, yes.
Highly
Item number
obliged,
9.
Lordship.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes.
You've received instructions, Lordship.
Okay. Yes, instructions. They can arrange it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord,
They have given certain terms and conditions as they had given in the past, Your Lordship. This is...
So let
them come, Your
go.
Lordship, then we'll... Sure.
You're not concerned right now. This is only for that pilgrimage. Yes.
my lord, we request the copy of the petition as a response number 9. We don't have any petition.
We'll tell that later. First, we'll take up this matter because this matter you're not really concerned. Yes.
Item number 2.
May it please, Your Lordship. So file the award, if Your Lordship would recall that
Yes.
London Senior Council has placed RTI and everything, my lord, but the award has been filed by me in both the matters, my lord. And Your Lordship kindly see the provision first, and then Your Lordship, I'll take Your Lordship to the award, my lord. Kindly see section 23, my lord, of the Land Acquisition Act. Section 23.
Yes.
On the day so fixed or any other day to which the inquiry has been adjourned, collector shall proceed to inquire into the objections, if any, which any person interested has stated pursuant to a notice given under 21 to the measurement made under section 20, or into the value of land at the date on which publication of notification, and into the respective interests of the persons claiming the compensation and rehabilitation and resettlement, and shall make an award under his hand. So the award is made under, my lord, section 23, my lord, shall make his award under his hand. But kindly see, the other provisions may not be true area of land, compensation determined under section 20, and C, apportionment of said compensation. After 23, my lord, your lordship will kindly come to section 37. Now, after making the award shall be filed in the collector's office and shall, except as hereinafter provided, be final and conclusive evidence. Final and conclusive evidence as between the collector and persons interested, whether they have respectively appeared before collector or not, of the true area and market value of the land and assets attached thereto, solatium so determined, and apportionment of compensation among the interested person. Now, my lord, 2, the collector shall give immediate notice of his award to such of the persons interested who are not present personally through their respective or through their representative when the award are made. 3, my lord, collector shall keep open to the public and display a summary of entire proceeding undertaken in the case of acquisition of land, including the amount of compensation awarded to each individual along with details of the land finally acquired under this land on the website created for the purpose, my lord. So there are 3 requirements, my lord, under 37, my lord. Yeah. Shall be final, my lord, provided final and conclusive evidence, your lordship has seen. Now, under the RTI, my lord, your lordship has seen RTI applications. Kindly see the RTI applications, my lord. It pays, if your lordship will see first.
Remember from DP.
Yes, my lord.
It's a draft award.
A draft. So, under the RTI, yes, my lord, under the RTI application, my lord, they have obtained various draft awards and they projected those draft award as final award before your lordship. Kindly see my final award, my lord, in 474, which I have filed, my lord.
Yes.
Miscellaneous application, and your lordship will award statement. Your lordship has kindly note at the top it is written proceedings under section 23 of RFCT AR Act, my lord. Name of the project, my lord.
25 written here.
Yes, my lord. And name of the project.
Written 25 instead of 23.
There are this is your lordship will see in 474. This is in 475. It is.
I saw. 474.
474, my lord.
This 474. I have it 474 there. This is
miscellaneous application will be.
Yes. No, now even lecture 1 shows. It shows.
Yes, because there is a typo error in the other one, my lord, by quoting section 25. But it is section.
This is the one annexed here.
Yes, my lord. So if your lordship will have there are two, one in respect of East Khasi Hill district and one in respect of, my lord, Rivoy, my lord. So I was showing the annexer of East Khasi Hill district, my lord, and East. Yes, my lord. Proceeding under section 23. Top of that, proceeding under section 23 of the RFCT LARR Act 2013.
Yes.
Name of the project, my lord, kindly omit.
Yes.
Number of date of these are there, my lord. Name of preliminary notifications, date are there. Then number and date of declaration under section 19, my lord. Then your lordship will come to next page. The land area is described, my lord, and in column 6, my lord, the column 4, amount is mentioned 189 crore 41 lakh 3,999, my lord. Then 6, my lord, name of the persons interested in the land to be acquired and nature of their respective interests. Swibert, Nongreng, and 487 others, my lord. Market value, and after calculating everything, your lordship will come to next page at serial number 17. That is 491 crore rupees, my lord, and the date is of 19th February 2024, my lord. This is the award, and in terms of this award, my lord, again there is, because the officers have committed some error, but this is the award, my lord. The notices have been 97. Your lordship has seen that notices have been issued to the parties to come and collect the money, my lord, at page 97 of respective parties, my lord. Respective parties, the amount is page 97 of the brief, my lord.
Of the writ petition?
Writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship will take note of the.
See, this award is 19.
Notice under, if your lordship will.
02/24, correct?
Yes, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the top of the page. Notice under section 37 of the Act, my lord. So notice was given, and the date of the notice, my lord, kindly mark is a 26th February 2024, my lord. 19th February award was notified. On 26th February, parties were asked to collect the respective compensation, my lord, and account details, etc. was you are appeared personally for payment compensation through RTGS NIFT to your account number. Only difficult because there was a format, and format the officer wrote 4th May 2023 because there was a general format, but award is, my lord, final award is of 19th February 2024, my lord. This was a typographical. I checked with the officers, my lord. This is the typographical error, and your lordship will see the table with my miscellaneous application. In table, this is the name of the persons 400, and kindly see the amount. Everything is mentioned here, my lord, in the chart. First name is Sweetbird Nongreng, parcel ID, village, right change, and it is called, my lord, apportionment statement of second building, and then total compensation amount is mentioned in respect of each of the person whose land has been acquired under the award, my lord. So this is the final award.
Where is the petitioner?
Petitioner will be, my lord, Frieden son.
Your juniors have not
Serial number 12,
Found that out.
page number 8.
Serial number?
Number 12, read petition number 1. All of them are there.
Serial number 12.
Yes. Here's the read petition number 1. Page number 8.
Oh, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, yes. Freedom.
Yes.
They all four petitioners. 1, 2, 3.
12 is there, my lord. Freedom's
Okay, the main one is there.
main one is there, my lord.
Yes.
So the name of each and every petitioner and other than petitioner are mentioned in the award, my lord. Now, if they are aggrieved with the award, my lord, the remedy in law is, my lord, for them is to go under section
64.
Under this section 64, my lord. Kindly see section 64
Yes.
and 76, my lord. Two sections, your lordship.
No, you see, the only question which was before the court was whether that award which was given, whatever said to
Correct.
be, that was said to be petition final award,
Yes, ma'am.
which is of 719 crores, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And then the final award comes to
2
400.
400 and odd crores.
So if it's not the submission of Mr. Charesos as the final award, and there's no power by the acquiring authorities to recompute the amount
Yes,
of
ma'am.
compensation. So if that's not a final award, then the whole case goes.
Yes, my lord.
They're
That's
left to other remedies. There's nothing then left
so
to
far as
decide.
remedy is also concerned, my lord, if your lordship
You
will
think
see-
remedies is stopped from seeking remedy also because he has not protested when he took the amount?
Yes, my lord. That is the, if your lordship will see section 64, because what is the remedy?
64.3.
64.3, my lord.
Yes.
Section
I
64.
remember, yes.
Yes, section 64, my lord.
Or 64.3. Or 4 what?
64, my lord.
64 is.
Any person interested who has not accepted the award may by written application to the collector require that matter be referred by the collector for the determination of the authority, as the case may be, whether his objection
So
to be...
where's the other section whereby...
Yeah, I'll take your lordship.
Protest
No,
precluded.
because there is a period here, my lord. Period prescribed here, my lord. If my lord, period is also there. If you kindly, that is why I wanted to place the entire section, my lord. Whether his objection to be the person to whom it is payable right of rehabilitation under among the interested, provided that collector shall within period of 30 days from date of receipt of application make a reference to the appropriate authority. So within 30 days, collector is required to give. Provided further where collector fails to make such reference within the period as so specified, applicant may apply to the authority. So judicial officer under the act, they can directly, as the case may be, requesting it, direct the collector to make a reference. So judicial authority can be approached for directing the collector to make the reference. The applicant's application shall state the ground on which objection is up to the award is taken, provided that every such application shall be made if a person making it was present or presented before the collector at the time when he made his award within 6 weeks from the date of collector's award. In other cases, within 6 weeks of receipt of notice from collector under section 21, or within 6 months from the date of collector's award, whichever period is first expired. Provided further, the collector may entertain the application after expiry of said period within a period of 1 year if he is satisfied that there was sufficient cause for not filing it within the period in the first proviso. So, my lord, within the period of first is there, my lord, and then your lordship has noticed, your lordship is referring to section 76 2, my lord. 77 2, my lord, sorry.
77
subsection 2.
77.
77 subsection 2, payment, my lord, chapter 10.
Yes.
If 77 subsection 2, if the person entitled to compensation shall not consent to receive it, or if there be no person competent to alienate the land, or if there is any dispute as to the title to receive the compensation, or as to the apportionment, the collector shall deposit the amount to the compensation authority to which reference under 64 would be submitted. Provided further that provided that any person admitted to be interested may receive such payment under protest as to the sufficiency of the amount. Provided further that no person who has received the amount otherwise than under the protest shall be entitled to make an application under subsection 1 of section 64. Provided that nothing in this shall be affect the liability of any person who may receive whole and part award to pay the same to lawful person thereon. So if he has received it without protest, my lord, then he is not entitled to make application, my lord. In entire petition, I couldn't find any single chit, my lord, indicating that the payment has been received by them under protest, my lord. So there is and one more aspect, my lord, because your lordship has seen RTI applications. I just wish to place that RTI application, my lord, once again. First RTI application, your lordship will notice at page 333. My lord. 1st July 2024. This is the first RTI application. Its reply is not on record, my lord. That is, reply is
333.
Page 333, my lord.
Yes.
And reply is very cryptic kind of reply, my lord. That I.
Where's the other RTI application?
I'm taking your lordship to the other RTI also, my lord. Your lordship, kindly see 374, my lord.
Yes, no, 333 is the first one.
Or before that application is, my lord, 339. Application 348, my lord. The other RTI. I took your lordship to the reply 348, my lord. And in reply, I have shown, my lord, 314, and in the RTI query, I have shown your lordships at 349, serial number 6, my lord.
Yes.
Copy of draft award sheet or award order sheet dated 4th May, passed by the collector so and so regarding so and so. So 4th May, and then query number the 11, my lord, final award. So it was well within the knowledge of the petitioner before your lordship that there was a draft award and there was a final award. But unfortunately, my lord, the reply
was this copy final award of given to the
my lord under the your lordship. I have shown.
Can you show any material to show that this award which you placed affidavit was given to them at that point?
Yes, yes, my lord. If your lordship has seen, kindly come back to section 37. Requirement is to publish it and everything. And they have received and they have not placed the reply of this RTI query. They have not placed the reply of this RTI.
But they've been given a copy.
Yes, my lord. Kindly see
where is
that reply, your lordship, because they have not placed the reply. They have placed the reply of the other RTI query, my lord. That is, lordship, kindly see 374, my lord.
Yes. Regretted under section 8J.
No, that is. Reply is 347.
This is different.
This is they have not placed the reply.
No. This RTI application is dated September sometime.
Yes, 23rd September 2024.
Yes, and this reply.
And this is reply
28th October
28th. So the issue, my lord, that it is their duty to disclose.
So where's the reply to that?
Their duty to disclose 347. Your lordship may have a look at page 347.
The reply to the
yes, my lord,
to the September one.
Yes, my lord. Kindly see 347.
This is the reply to 1st July 24.
Yes, my lord.
Where's the reply to September?
1st July also, my lord. If your lordship will see in 1st July also.
But this is dated 23rd 9/21. Bring the reply given.
Because, my lord, in 1H, your lordship will see 1H, my lord. Kindly see 1H reply.
No, go and fishing around.
No, your lordship, kindly see the award is there in this case also. Amount is mentioned and award is also, because 31st July, your lordship has.
We want to see the factum that whether the final award was in their hand.
Yes, my lord.
When they accepted the proposition.
I got it.
Simple as that.
Your lordship, kindly come to page 330.
Reply to 39. Is it there anywhere? That's all.
Yes, my lord. It's
the
there.
matter is very small.
I understand. I understand, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship is right. Kindly come to page 333, my lord. Query, RTI query. That is July query, my lord. 1st July.
Okay.
Now, if your lordship will see, the award has been kindly at 334. Kindly provide the basis on which awards were computed, and before that, G. whether any award was granted to any lender. If yes, kindly provide details of award enclosed with your reply. That is now reply, your lordship will see 347. This reply.
Yes.
347, my lord.
Yes.
Bottom, your lordship, 1G, no? 1G. Award notice have already been served on concerned landowners in different dates for payment of compensation, my lord. Because payment, then, my lord, award compensation was calculated based on the land acquisition proceedings and so. I. Information sought is regretted now. J. Project construction so and so, and the award amount is also mentioned below. So they have received the award. It's not that they are not aware of the award below.
Mr. Chowdhury, so were you given copy final award pursuant to your RTI query? Not given.
Not given. I replied to it directly.
But your lordship, they have in entire.
The only consideration we can give them is to allow them to file a,
Yeah, lordship, but only that is not
post facto protest
Lord,
be allowed?
they have, your lordship has seen, your lordship has noticed also, they themselves say draft award. How do they say it's a draft award? After this only the second RTI query is there, my lord. And draft award,
so where I want to see the reply to 23/9/20.
My lord, this is the kind of reply. This is the kind of reply.
You never got any reply to 23/24.
My lord, under section 37.
Because you also at fault, Mr. Chowdhury, you give a barrage of RTI queries, July, September, October.
And my lord, this is, they know, they have received the amount under 37, my lord. And 37 requires, my lord, the award and finality, my lord. So if they know the award, so they say that I didn't know about the award and I filed the writ petition, my lord. It's, in my humble submission, not correct, my lord. And lordship,
so now, Mr. Chowdhury, what do you, now the award is known to you. The final award was there. So?
This is not a final award. I'll say this final.
This award, yes, is not the final award?
Yes, not the final award. I'll show. Let the AG complete, I'll show it. With lordship permission.
Then it'll never end.
My lord, because, my lord, under the immediately after this, they have received the compensation. And they themselves in RTI query say...
That goes against them. They receive the compensation, whatever it is. Now, see, that goes against them. Because if they known the amount that was assessed by the BDO or whatever, they're quite happy with that in the meeting.
Yes,
if when they get the notice given to them to accept the money, it shows less. They should have protested at that time.
Yes.
They didn't do that.
And that only that the 30 requirement of 37 is, my lord, that the award will be conclusive and final, and it will be kept in the office of the DC, Deputy Commissioner.
When do you final? Okay, section 37.
37.
And that also means that, once a notice on section 37
yes,
is given to the petitioners,
yes,
what does it convey? It conveys that the award has been finalized. 23 is how to make the award, right? How the collectors make the award. 37 is when the award is final.
Yes.
Then notices are given to you on section 37 for acceptance of a compensation. Then you have recourse to other remedies if you're not satisfied with the amount. Then you can take it under protest,
yes,
and then you're entitled to a reference under section 64, which is referred by the collector to the special judicial officer for reassessment or whatever, or enhancement. Correct. That is the procedure. And now what has happened here is that you have received the 37, you didn't protest. Now you say that that draft award which was made by the collector, which is a huge amount, that is a final award. Now the court can't accept that. That is a final award. And now you're saying that the final award shown by the affidavit now is not the final award. So what is the final award?
Well, I'll show. I'll show.
You have put materials here to show what the final award.
But I'll demonstrate from the record itself.
Lordship my learned friend has shown everything, my lord. And if there is a statutory bar, kindly see 37, because 37 says it will be kept in the office of Deputy Commissioner, my lord. 37.
Yes, no, we get it.
Yes, it shall be filed in the collector's office and shall except hereinafter provided be final and conclusive evidence. So if whatever is kept in the office of collector in terms of 37 is the final and conclusive. Once it is, law presumes that it is a final and conclusive, the party, it is not open to party to say that the statutory presumption is rebutted, my lord.
No, the very fact that notice issued 37
yes, my lord,
reflects that.
And they will try to say that notice issued under 37 refers to the draft award, date of the draft award. So that was the error which had, and when they received 40 crore rupees, my lord, your lordship has seen in the final award, the amount is mentioned in serial number 40. I just noticed, my lord, that the amount is mentioned 40 crore and odd for the petitioner number 1, and similarly for other petitioners, and he went and received the money.
Petition number 1 to 80 crores, 81 crores, not 40 crores.
In 81 crores. And out of 487, my lord, I don't know how many of petitioners are here before your lordship in one matter. So this is my case, my lord, that there is a suppression and there is a concealment, my lord, and on a ground of concealment and suppression, my lord, this writ petition should be thrown, my lord. I rely on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court on this point, my lord, on this issue, my lord. May I place this judgment? Where's the other copy? One more copy.
Yes.
Paragraph, your lordship will come to paragraph 82, my lord. The effect of the effect of suppression of material fact, paragraph 82. The effect of suppression of material facts on maintainability of a writ petition is too well known, but what is important is whether suppression of material fact in a writ petition amounts to fraud on court, and whether an issue of maintainability based on suppression can be examined if the judgment and or order disposal of writ petition has attained finality by reason of no appeal being carried out therefrom. The court in Meghalaya versus G. Narasimha Reddy observed that suppression of any material fact document amounts to fraud on the court, and every court has an inherent power to recall its own order obtained by fraud, as the order so obtained is non-est. Quite recently, in K. Jairam versus BDA, the court held it is well settled that jurisdiction exercised by the High Court under 226 of the Constitution of India is extraordinary, equitable, and discretionary, and it is imperative that the petitioner approaching the writ court must come with the clean hands and put forward all facts before the court without concealing or suppressing anything. A litigant is bound to state all facts which are relevant to the litigation. If he withholds some vital or relevant material in order to gain advantage over the other side, when he would be guilty of playing fraud with the court as well as the opposite parties, which cannot be countenanced. It is also well settled that fraud is an intrinsic collateral act which vitiates the most solemn of proceedings, including judicial acts, and a plea of fraud can be set up even in collateral proceeding. We reminded of the judgment of so-and-so. Principle of finality of litigation cannot be pressed to the extent of such absurdity. It becomes an engine of fraud in the hands of dishonest litigants. Division bench noted that civil suit having been withdrawn against the state, first respondent could not have validly attempted to obtain a discretion, through the medium of writ petition, on the strength of decree passed in such suit where the state was no longer party. Yet the division bench held that a state to have practiced fraud. A perusal of the averment in the writ petition do not reveal any mention of civil suit having been withdrawn against the state government. Suppression of material fact on the part of the first respondent is indeed indiscernible, which if pleaded could have altered the outcome of writ petition. A very innocuous plea was however made by effecting mutation in terms of final decree without disclosing that mutation was being asked for in respect of piece of land for which the state itself had been claiming title, and that the civil suit was withdrawn faced with such claim of a state. A writ court being a court of equity, it is needless to observe that parties are bound to approach the court with clean hands, inasmuch as the aforesaid act of withdrawal was not brought to the writ court notice. An egregious breach of such principle is noticed. Suppression of such a material fact in present case could legitimately be argued to amount to a fraud on court. There can hardly be two opinions that such breach would strike at the very root of the matter, and since a point of fraud can be raised and even collaterally, if the point of fraud has been raised, the writ petition itself could have been held not made. My submission is, my lord, that they knew about the final award, and they should have pleaded that there is this is not a final award. If their case is that this is not a final award, that fact should not have been suppressed. They should have said that the award of May 2023 is a final award. This is not a final award, but there is a suppression of that fact. There is not a single averment in the entire petition. My lord, RTI after RTI have been filed. They have got all the informations, my lord. Even all replies of RTIs have not been placed before your lordship. Why did they not place? They have placed the RTI queries, my lord. These are all material facts, my lord, which have got bearing hearing, my lord, because your lordship has to take note of conduct in at least in one matter where the unscrupulous litigant who has devoured 80 crore rupees and coming before your lordship and trying to invoke the discretionary remedy of this honorable court by suppressing material facts, my lord. That is, so therefore, my lord, your lordship should not only dismiss the writ petition but also impose heavy cost for suppressing material facts.
Yes, 5-minute reply.
My lord, the lordship has given me liberty to file a rejoinder. I'm grateful.
You want to file a rejoinder?
My lord, AG has said, my lord.
You want to file a rejoinder to this affidavit?
If lordship permits, otherwise, my lord, I can reply from the record itself to show that this is not the final award. My lord, AG has taken the page number, my lord, 334 of my RTI application that I sought for the award, and they have furnished everything. My lord, may kindly see page number 333 is the RTI application, Annex 20. My lord, may come to G, point G, information sought. Whether any awards was granted to any landowners. If yes, kindly provide the details of the awards. Here they are supposed to give me the awards statement.
You come to page.
My lord,
you come to page,
now the reply. My lord, may come to
Mr. Charis, come to page 349.
My lord, yes, I'll come to that. My lord. Just before the lordship permits me, 347.
See, please,
yes,
no,
yes.
Please,
Okay.
please come. See, this
349.
limit does not just, the.
Yes. I'll come at 349. My lord.
Just come to 349 PC6. Copy of draft award order sheet dated 4/5/23.
Yes.
Your assertion is that 4/5/23 is the final award.
My lord, this is the final award.
And now you see a draft award order sheet dated 4/5/23 passed by the collector.
My lord.
With regard to him, so and so. So this is
you
one
are
of very aware. That's why you said call, because your stand, your entire basis of your case is that 4/5/23 is the final award, and the award being final, there can be no going back, and there can be no calibration, no reassessment, no recomputation.
My lord,
right?
Right.
And so in this RTI request, you've said copy of draft award order sheet dated 4/5/23.
My lord.
And then
he used
you
the
asked,
word,
and at 11 you said copy the final awards, showing the review amounting to so and so. So even an 11 you're aware of the revised amount.
My lord,
that
revised
come to 479.
My lord, revised amount, I came to know page number 347. The next
97 page.
My lord, here they revised the amount they have disclosed.
Yes.
Last portion. Therefore, we saw the information that the amount reduced from the original to this one. So give me the final award, if any. They did not give a reply. Till today, these are their reply.
So how do you see it's not a final award?
The affidavit filed by him.
Yes.
My lord, the ATM has said that this is the final award. My lord, may come to page 4, let's see. And
of the affidavit?
Yes, of the affidavit.
4.
My lord.
Yes.
Then, my lord, details are mentioned, and I would straight come to page number 6, para 14. This is how it is afterthought award.
14.
To circumvent, my lord. 14, my lord. Point 14, page number 6. My lord, additional compensation interest under section 33 of the Act 13 at the rate of 12% per annum for 575 days, very important, my lord, from 07 October 2021, date of issuance of prelim notification under section 11 to 045/2023, date of declaration of award. My lord, payment taking over, it is my lord, delayed, my lord. Now, when we take this, my lord, this is the exactly collector has mentioned that the date of the award is 045.
Preliminary notification.
Preliminary notification.
No, preliminary notification is, my lord, the 7 October. And the final award he is mentioning 045/2023. It comes to 375 days. Now, if I take, my lord, 19 February 2024 is the award date. Then, my lord, it comes to 895 days. And each day carries, my lord, the interest.
That's a different aspect altogether. This with regard to the amounts that you're due, but only stick to the point where you will come to your prayer. Now you say that there's a final award. The course concerned me that your challenge coming to 226 is that That's a final award, and they don't have any power vested in them by law to review it. That's all. And so the thing is that now we have come to a finding. It's been shown by materials that it is not a final award. The final award was published on 19 February 2024. So it ends there.
No, my lord, if it is the 19th February is the final award,
no,
he could have mentioned my lord.
Your prayer then.
No, he could have mentioned my lord. 800, my lord.
Then you're stretching the.
No, my lord, this is very vital. It is an award paper. It's the claim of the TC. My lord, and I would show you with the other annexures. The minutes adopted by the government says final award. NHIT says it is a final award. I'll come to that few annexures, my lord. The reason why TC has mentioned this one, my lord, if Lordship may give me some, my lord.
You do one thing. You file a short objection. We'll pass judgment next week.
My lord, I'll give a reply.
But it's on Tuesday. Yes, because then you remember one thing. Your prayer and what you're submitting now is totally divergent.
No, my lord, humble submission, my lord. I'll satisfy, my lord. Because on Tuesday or Wednesday,
matter. Yes.
Monday is a holiday, so Tuesday I'll file it.
Daily list item number 1.
Great, my lord.
So second call. Item number 1. Supplementary list.
Where's Mr. Jindal and Additional Advocate General? Where disappeared? Where are they? He's on legs?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, but then later, yes. We'll do other matters first.
Daily list item number 1.
Lordship, I need some more time, Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Then let this matter go to other court also.
Lordship.
Let it go to other court also.
It seems there's another petition.
There's another matter connected to
election.
With regard to the condemnation for election tribunal?
Yes.
Yes.
As per your Lordship.
You mentioned before the court. Let's matter before any other bench brought me. Then let it come together there.
Lordship. Obliged.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I beg, kindly grant us some 2 more weeks time, Your Lordship, to file
many
a
times you
rejoinder.
played?
This is the 3rd time, Your Lordship.
Final opportunity of 2 weeks granted to the petitioner.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Rejoinder.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes. For the response number 4 and 5. You not file affidavit?
I filed it.
Item number 3.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship will file the rejoinder affidavit in the course of the day.
Very good. Yes, MS Itakar. Submit that rejoinder will find the course of the day. Yes. Just for hearing. After?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Okay. Yes.
4.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may become up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
After?
1 week, as the conducting counsel is out of station.
You have received, what is this matter about?
It's a contempt, my lord.
For how long you? Oh yes, you are appearing.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, this is they have. If your lordship will kindly see the last order, my lord.
Yes.
That we have complied with the instant contempt petition was filed. Take instruction as to why.
Yes.
And we have complied, my lord. That order is.
See, complied before the contempt petition was filed.
There may be some time lag. That is why contempt probably has been filed. My lord.
So we'll close it.
The lordship may close it because they have get it. If they have grievance, they can come back again.
You.
Yes, Khakanglan.
Lordship, I'll seek instruction.
This one was given to you last date.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
Is
we
there?
have copy.
You got instructions on this?
No, Your Lordship, no instruction.
They won't, once they've got payment, your clients won't give you instruction. Yeah. Although it appears that the orders are complied with, Ms. Idakhar prays that the matter be listed on Tuesday. Yes. As the arguing counsel is not present. Yes.
5.
You think you inform them, it's been complied with, then we'll contempt on lie, and if it's been filed before, complied before the contempt action was filed, then you might have to pay costs also. Yes.
5.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordships. We are entering appearance on behalf of the respondents today, Your Lordship. We're given some time to file our objection.
Yes, MST Yangi B. AG is appeared on behalf of the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship.
She prays for up to weeks' time to file affidavit.
We have received instructions. We'll just give the affidavit.
6.
6 is.
Yeah, please, Lordship. There is some little clarification, Your Lordship, where I went to show to the court because due to some advertently. Hello.
Yes, what are we saying?
Order. Basically, this order should have been reflected in the WPC 27, where in the 27, where that the Demdema from the Katagua, it was shifted to Batapari. Now that order is wrongly reflected. This order should have been reflected in WPC 27 in this item number, but it was reflected in the 28, which is item number 8.
This is confusion in that.
Not a confusion, just I will explain. This order should have been reflected in this item number 6, WPC 27, where there is a change of block video.
I'll tell you.
Because they have made a submission that actually the video.
So it's been implemented in item in WPC number 27.
They have not made the changes, though, Your Lordship, because there's been a shifting of the block from Demdama to Batabari.
She is not understanding what I'm trying to say. Is this order should have been reflected in that order should have been reflected in the 27.
File application.
Yes, I think that.
No, this is they make a submission that
we have not made such a submission.
Definitely, go by their affidavit, Lordship.
Mr. PT Sangma submits that the order path of WPC 28 2025 in fact should have been recorded in WPC 27 2025. He permitted to file an application.
Lordship, one thing is that they filed the affidavit.
We also filed an affidavit.
No, may I just they filed the affidavit. In that affidavit, they have correctly stated that in that 27 they have stated that block has been changed. The Batabari from Demdema, now it is Batabari. They have filed the affidavit. I have going to file my rejoinder also.
What relevance will this correction have then?
Yes, it is their mistake. They have made a wrong submission.
No, what correction? What impact will it have then on the matter?
Yes, it is. In fact, is that because this order should not happen in that 28, because this is WPC 28. This order should happen in the 27 WPC 27.
In 28, the video.
In 28, there is no mistake. There is no change of video. Because that's why they have made a wrong. That's why I'm trying to clarify the matter.
It is in 27. They have to.
Okay, no, yes, we understand. Mr. P. Sharma submits that the order dated 26/5/2025 passed in WPC no 28 of 2025. In fact, is with regard to WPC number 27.
Yes.
And this error has inadvertently occurred. He further submits that the BDO in WC number 28 has not been changed.
No change. It is same. It remains same.
As in WC number 27,
video change.
It has been changed.
Yes.
Accordingly, the order dated 26/5 on a motion, the own motion of the court is recalled and recorded in record 27 that you have not implemented him.
Not yet.
Because of this mistake.
And record therein that the London AAG submitted that the BDO, concerned BDO, has not been implemented.
Yes.
Yes. So
we have filed an affidavit in both the
affidavits have also been filed by the respondents to the both petitions.
In both the petitions.
You want to file a joinder?
I filed a lordship in 28 because from the affidavit of the position.
File, yes. Next Nakta this 20. First, you've taken 28, the recall 127. Then 27. In 27, in view of the order passed, which is 28. It is recorded that in the submissions of MST Yangi Bill and AEJ, that the concerned videos have included is again noted. Yes. Stop. Yes. You want to fight agenda in this? 20,
yes, that in respect of 27.
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes. Please, you allowed to fight agenda to the affidavits filed the respondents just after 2 weeks. So one issue is correct.
Now the item number, yes, that item number 7, Your Lordship. After filing of the affidavit, they have elected another. There was a meeting. There is another elected from VSC functionary. So we are withdrawing that item number 7 because we have to file a press because we have not implemented because
this took too much, Mr.
It's very confusing.
Not confusing because they are not listening to me. That is
after we pass orders. Listen.
Yes.
After we pass orders 28 to record order date 26/5/2025.
Then he withdraws the.
Then you want to withdraw. Then we'll pass order 27 only.
Yes, right. only 27. Yes.
Then yes, in 28 from October.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. P. Sama submits that due to other developments, he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file a phrase to advise.
Yes.
Yes, prayers allowed. Matter stands close with liberty as prayer allowed. Yes.
Lordship.
Mantatho on 27. I would see number 27. Stop. Mr. P. Sama, the counsel for the petition submitted that an order which has been passed in 28/2025 dated 26/5/2025 in fact relates to the present petition inasmuch as it relates to the present petition. Stop. He further submits that the order as passed which will be recorded in OBC number 27
Lordship
of 2025. Stop. Next paragraph. It is no, MS. What should we say? That you know that the sub in the order dated 26/5/2025 has been recorded that the AAG. The submission to the AAG has been recorded that the concerned videos have been implemented.
Have not been implemented.
Stop. This submission will be recorded. Yes, is noted and recorded in the present petition. Stop. Finished. And whatever after the has been filed by respondents, Ms. Pisa was allowed 2 weeks time to file the joinder. Just after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Item number 8.
If you instead of making convoluted submission, at least you come straight. You know, it makes it easier.
Much resources.
Good. Here I'm praying for a week's time.
Yes.
Which pension matter?
Yes,
pension
this
matter.
is regarding pension matter.
In fact, there are 2 claimants.
Fine. Who's the other claimant?
I'm appearing for
Number 5.
respondent number 5, Your
Who
Lordship.
4? Why didn't appear last time? Yes, you filed affidavit.
I'm
In the course of the day.
During the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kim Varachaji, 1 to 3 pages. 4 ones allowed 1 week further time. Similar premium by MS Impasa for number 4. Stop. MS A. Harmandai for 5 submits actually filed the course of the day. This after 2 weeks before the order says.
All right, much resources.
Item number 9.
Lordship, I report 2 weeks' time, Lordship, of finding the affidavit.
Yes.
There's some urgency, Your Lordship, in this matter. It's a recruitment process.
It's a
recruitment.
My Lord, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, my Lord, on behalf of respondent number 3. I'll file my affidavit by next week.
I'm the respondent.
You're not filing affidavit?
We're filing, Your Lordship. For 2 weeks' time.
Matter?
Lordship.
When are you going to file it? 1 week.
2 weeks, Lordship.
How much time have you taken? How many offices have been given by the court?
This is second time, Lordship. We've just received instructions.
It's a?
This is second time, Lordship.
You sure?
We've just received instructions.
Yes, MSB Walangyang for number 1 and Mr. Espandi for 3. 3 for another further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop. It is submitted by Mr. Pasanti of the matter. There's some urgency in the matter as it involves recruitment. Stop is therefore expected the next day the affidavit should be on board. Yes, accordingly on so and so.
How do you oblige?
10.
Yes.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may kindly allow us 1 more week, Your Lordship. We've just received the inquiry report that was conducted by the Education Department, Your Lordship.
Yes.
We'll file it by the next date, Your Lordship. A week's time may be allowed, Your Lordship.
Yes, 1 week's time record. Yes. 4 times allowed for affidavit. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Oblige.
11.
Your Lordship, 1 more time to file affidavit in opposition. Yesterday I filed, but the registry asked to rearrange the annexure, Your Lordship.
1, 2, 3.
They have filed, Lordship. They have filed. JHDC, they have 1, 2, 3, they have filed.
Elm Sangma, council for number 4. Please follow for the 1 week's time.
1 week or 2 weeks, whatever.
Allowed, yes.
12.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes, the inquiry report, what happened?
Your Lordship, the inquiry that the survey that was conducted, Your Lordship, was just to ascertain the exact area of the plot, Your Lordship. No demarcation was carried out.
See, we have not received a inquiry report. And then in Lordship, they haven't filed.
Were you present at the time of the inquiry?
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
You're present?
Yes, Lordship.
Give them a copy.
There's no. I've just received instructions, Your Lordship, not the report.
Yeah, remember that in GS submits on instruction that there was no demarcation done of the plot of land.
It was just to ascertain the.
But the survey was required just to ascertain the
exact area of the plot, Your Lordship.
Stop. She's directed to produce a copy of the.
I'll file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
On affidavit.
Interim, Your Lordship.
Copy to the petitioner.
Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Interim can be continued, Lord.
There's interim order?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Interim order will continue with the next date.
13.
Yes, Mr. Kumar. Yes. Yes.
We will not file affidavit, well. We will grant 2 weeks time for affidavit.
Why affidavit? Just want to put on record?
Just to put on record. 2 weeks time.
That preempting is under challenge.
Yes, madam.
No, is it under appeal? What happened to it?
Yes, madam.
It is under process, madam. The division bench is disposed of, madam. The process of filing SLP.
Okay, SLP. What a process of in this particular matter?
But I can grant me 2 weeks time, madam. We will file an affidavit. I've sent it for
also put affidavit on record. What is the benefit? Yes, though it's submitted by Mr. V. Kumar, the council petitioner, that the matter stands covered by the judgment rendered in the case of Prem Singh versus Union of India. Stop, comma. Dr. N. Bozikal, I praise that he may be allowed to file an affidavit, to put on record an affidavit on behalf of the respondents. Stop, accordingly, 2 weeks time granted.
Okay.
Yes, 2 weeks. Yes.
Honorable Guwahati High Court has also disposed of the similar matter.
Doesn't matter, we dispose it of also.
14.
My lord, 14 and 15 are connected matter, my lord. It's regarding PDS.
Yes.
My lord, here we are to take instruction or to file affidavit, my lord. My lord, I'm praying for.
What's the matter about?
PDS, my lord.
This matter is regarding fair price shop, Lordship.
Cancellation of the license,
Only
my lord.
cancel.
Yes.
My lord, this is for the first I'm praying for.
This is against cancellation or?
Against cancellation, Lordship.
Yes. How much time?
My lord, 2 weeks time.
It's urgent. They're being deprived
No,
of
my
the
lord,
license.
we have received certain instruction, but there is quite
1 week's time.
difficult, my lord.
Yeah,
My lord, there's a
matter,
holiday coming up next week, so it will be difficult for 1 week. Kindly give us at least 10 days time then, my lord.
Yes, MS Arconi praised that without 10 days time to file affidavits as he just received instructions. Praise allowed this after 10 days, yes.
The next matter also same, my lord.
16.
Please, my lord, I pray for 2 weeks time, my lord.
1 second. Why are you not taking steps?
On 6.
My lord,
Oh, Lord.
reference on behalf of the private respondent here.
Number 6. How come steps not taken and entering it?
My lord, we have received, my client's authority received the notice from.
How come recorded here but no steps not taken?
In that case.
You have taken steps, right? She wants to respond to number 6.
Huh? Mr. Ringdo, you took steps on by yourself.
No, Your Lordship.
Go through the registry. How do you take
there's
steps?
been some.
16, no? And then 17.
Did you give them to the registry now?
Yeah. I believe they're connected. I think.
You give registry?
Yes, Your Lordship, we give.
Let's see the copy you received.
My lord, the letter is not only the petition has been forwarded to me with the Kapalat number. So the forwarding letter actually, what is the procedure I have, I don't have the copy.
That's
On the
what she
petition is
Private
Lordship, apology from my end, Your Lordship. There's been some.
See, process has go from the court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He just posted by himself.
No, Lordship, I've given instruction to my junior associate, Lordship, but there has been some miscommunication.
Then you will overlook that for this time.
Yes, Lordship. It will not be repeated, Lordship. My apology.
Yes. The formal process has not been issued to number 6, MS Arcolni's under appearance on behalf of 16 today. As such, notices complete all respondents. How much time for affidavit? Respondents pray for not 2 weeks time for affidavit. Just after 2 weeks, yes.
17.
Take steps to provide the copies to the court, not to send it yourself. Yeah.
17.
I'm appearing on behalf of the respondents, Your Lordship. We've received instructions. I may be allowed 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
Yes, affidavit for the 2 weeks time allowed for affidavit by the respondent. Yes.
I'll be obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Second call, item number 1, supplementary list.
Yes. Yes, MS Yangi. What instructions you received?
Yes, this Abraham.
The file is.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Dingdo. Let them do the pilgrimage. They won't perform the puja.
The puja.
That is the only thing which we have.
These directions are here. Then you just kindly
Let them
process
follow
it.
these, Your Lordship, and then we
Because
are
the
okay
yatra
with
itself is under the district administration. We have nothing to say regarding the pilgrimage.
Lordship.
No, but some benefit should go to the village also.
Yes.
That means at least with regard to that is at least with regard to what
the entry fee and all that.
facilitation fees, whatever that they would
Entry fees and all
yes.
that.
Absolutely, my lord.
Another thing is that they should not litter the place.
That is, everything has been given here.
There's just is pilgrimage means what? Pilgrimage means it has to be very,
solemn,
sacred,
solemn,
sacred,
yes, exactly solemn. That solemnity should be there, and that the what do you call it? The I can't find a word right now, but you all understand what I'm trying to say.
Absolutely, my lord. My lord,
as per this letter of the DC, what will see
point number 9.
Number 9. Number 9.
Yes.
The organizer
should get prior
permission from the university. In fact, that is not required.
Now it is not required in view of the fact that they have agreed to it.
We have said that the yatra is the function of the district administration.
No, another thing is that you see from the side also there should be some sort of monitoring that that everything goes up peacefully. That's all. That only
that
thing,
is our only concern.
If you can just work it out among yourselves, like we can generate order on Monday. When's the
the season is
starting from when the season?
It's starting today. Starting today.
They'll have to inform. They'll have to inform the district administration of the date and the number of people who are attending the yatra.
My lord, there are two causes of concern in this in the terms and conditions. One, senior has already pointed out, number 9, that has become OTOs because they have expressed their point number 4, my lord. Devotees should follow the left side of the road, and the organizer should detail private security personnel from a registered security agency at their own cost to regulate and ensure smooth passage of the devotees. The organizer should strictly ensure that the movement of vehicles and pedestrians should not be hampered while conducting the events. In this connection, they should engage private security personnel and traffic wardens from a registered private security agency at their own cost. Well, two things, my lord. Firstly, regarding traffic, the only traffic issue that comes up, that has come up over the years, is in the parking area near the spot. There we have our volunteers, etc. We've always had that. There is no problem.
No, this is the condition given by the state. We have to comply with it. Either you take it or leave it. That's all. The thing is that you engage a private security agency to just ensure that that is
traffic is not disturbed.
Traffic is one thing. The other part is the state cannot wash its hands of the security concern that may be there.
That is a given. How can they? That has
to be escort.
How can law and order is a state subject?
Absolutely.
The only thing that the deputy commissioners put here is that fine, when the rank and file goes, that at least that the private security is there. What many private security firms are there. They'll be there along the
some discipline is maintained along the way.
My lord, every year we've got police escort, etc. That needs to continue. That's all. That was my only concern.
So they will be directed to maintain that law and order is a state subject.
Absolutely, my lord. And my last submission, my lord, we are very thankful to the Darbar for extending a friendly hand to us at the moment. Yesterday I had clarified that we will not do puja. I remain firm on that, my lord, which means we will not carry any sort of puja material, incense sticks, vermilion, sweets, etc. Nothing, my lord. But we'll have to carry water, my lord, from Mahadev Kula to the spot.
Water you can carry.
And we'll pour the water and maybe join a hand. That's it.
No articles of puja.
No sort of puja, my lord. No puja, but water and veneration at the spot, my lord.
Yes. And no littering. You see, with regard to food articles and no littering with regard to food and beverages.
No, absolutely,
and
absolutely,
all those things.
Absolutely. No, there's no question of us littering.
That has been given, your lordship.
It's there in the conditions. We intend to.
That also.
They are a little apprehensive regarding that water part also, because it will be considered part of a ceremonial.
Part of the worship.
If I can just clarify.
Part of the worship. That is also correct.
If I can just.
Sentiments of the people there also has to be.
If I can just clarify, my lord, lordship will be aware.
Yesterday they have said that no.
We stand by that. We stand by that. No puja.
No puja.
Water falls anyways, my lord, from the stalactite 24/7, 365 days a year. The water will be pouring is sanctified water from Mahadev Kula. It is not a puja, my lord. Puja, as popularly understood.
The water is spring water is fine. The water is fine.
Yes. Respected sir. Mo akabidi bakanika pilgrimage longila suthu bakadai ka kamram jong ka district administration sir ngim don problem e kabidi bakata ti nginum ong ina kaleng jongi Ray hadu nadu katu ka jurisdiction jok katu ka site mo jaj bugi ong bagadi ka pilgrimage to kadiga destination kadiga mojumboy ka kre mojumboy and nakadu jurisdiction juga tu kasai bade kan long betik kum ketu ke ik bangila de pu iki kendon ke bangila de biakran kan so di akabidi bekan ika umru ngidon katangan mangi superkat ika sentiments joki pai ba last time ke bawani nakatu ka KSP ru ila kran shai ba pinumle ekino kinoma ka ne kanu kanuru ma is a part of puja te so di nakata kadao ngi superpat di ba kinchuan bai kum to bai
kalau komuniti ketika kata-kata jinsoji tang khendit tuken pi I lari kita let them not carry matka something just symbolic, that's all.
Bottles, plastic bottles,
yes.
which the bottles would be carried out of the site.
Symbolic, but then no littering, that's all.
No littering. We will not we will not leave the bottles inside.
But no littering, no puja, no flowers, no incense, no vermilion.
Absolutely.
If you want to, if you strike a balance between the local people.
Naturally, my lord, that's the reason we are specifying we will not do puja, my lord.
Let it be like that, all right.
Let it just be recorded. What is
absolutely?
Iko apa pin record na kailangan jumi lang yung TPA iko bidi berkata ka pilgrimage.
No, we'll record. Don't worry. We'll record. Yes. You can hear it now. We'll pass order now only. Yes. Pursuant to the order of this court, yesterday was when?
10th, my lord.
10th, 7/2025. MSD Yangi B. London EAG has submitted before this court the conditions with regard to the issuance of permission for the yatra from Mahadev Khola to Mausanram Cave. From Mausanram Cave stop. The details are enumerated in the what we call it the letter dated 10 July 2025, which has been given by the Deputy Commissioner, East Castle, Shillong. Stop. Mr. T.D. Dingdo, on behalf of the, you call Village Darbar or?
Village Darbar, 6 to 8. Village Darbar.
Village Darbar 6 to 8 submits that as it's only a pilgrimage and the same is under the supervision of the district authorities. The said respondents have no objection to the said yatra, but will maintain that as undertaken by the petitioner, there shall be no performance of puja or any articles performed of such rituals be brought to the cave, such as incense sticks, flowers, etc. Stop, etc. Stop. Mr. S. Jindal, for the petitioner, has reiterated his submissions and submitted that the yatra be only a pilgrimage and at the most there'll only be sprinkling of water on the what do you call it?
Shall we call it a stone, my lord?
Huh? On the stone, yes. On the stone. Yes. On the stone, the same is on the stone. Stop. This suggestion is also. You object to that also?
Yes, strongly objected by
is not what do you call it, acceded to by the land council for the response 678
and the headman who's present.
And the headman who's present in court today. Stop. In view of the conditions as given by the state respondents through Deputy Commissioner, and also the undertaking given by the Darbashna Wasram village, which was set yatra. Stop. It is directed that the petitioner shall undertake the pilgrimage as per the conditions which have been enumerated in the communication dated 10 July 2025, and also this court stresses the need to maintain order and solemnity and also to avoid any littering or to cause any disruption to traffic movements. Stop. The direction that the organizer shall also engage private security volunteers as traffic wardens shall also be adhered to. Stop. I think Mr. Dingdo will allow them to sprinkle water from the bottle as well. Yes, though objections have been raised by the response 678 to balance the equity and in interest of justice, the organizers shall only permit a symbolic sprinkling of water on the stone on the appointed day. Stop. The dates for the yatra shall be discussed and decided among the parties. Just remember that only a symbolic sprinkling, yes, and not pouring of water as sought for by the organizer.
Yes. Number 9 maybe a bit. Condition of number 9.
Yes,
in view of the
yes, Mr. T.T. Dingdo, Honesty Council also has drawn attention of the court to clause number 9 and submits that the same is not necessary in view of the fact that the permission granted for the yatra is by the district authorities. It's also further added that it is needless to add that overall security and maintenance of law order shall be the responsibility of the district authorities. Yes.
Grateful.
Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Wait.
It was symbolic. I mean, just 1 or 2 persons. That's all.
My lord.
Hearing. Item 18.
Can we have this matter next week, my lord?
I think the time might soon come for this court recuse from these contempt matters. There are 3-4 of them which have become sad stories, Mr. Thapa. Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am. We can have it next week, my lord. We'll try and.
We can have it any time, but I think that the only thing that they should be argued. That's all. Okay, after 2 weeks.
18 to 20, my lord.
Your senior is busy also, he said next week.
My lord, irrespective of whether he's there, we'll try and.
That's what you always say, because yesterday some matter is that he will not be available.
Today he's not there, my lord. You can have it next week, my lord.
21.
Not next week.
After 2 weeks.
21.
After 2 weeks, they won't do it also. Yes. You got the report. You got the
received. It's quite lengthy.
Was it placed before the assembly?
It was placed.
What was the discussion?
It was just a discussion, man. I have not been able to.
How will you close it?
We'll
close that petition.
Definitely not, my lord. Because our prayer is for a CBI inquiry. I will file an affidavit on the report.
Mr. T. Dindol is a counsel submits. He's just received a copy of the proceedings.
Yes. From
the assembly. He prays allowed how much time? 2 weeks time to place the same.
Yes. On record.
29.
Please, Your Lordship.
Where are the records?
We have the record, Your Lordship.
You have the records? Very good. Where's the petitioner?
I don't know, Your Lordship.
Disappeared?
I haven't seen them, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may this
Mr.
matter...
Khera?
Yes, Your Lordship.
List on Wednesday. Yes. None appears as a petitioner. List on Wednesday. Next. We'll dispose of next date. You tell us, Cedia.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There's some matters in this court have become like, revolving around the same thing. We'll dispose of them.
32.
Mr. Khera, he didn't come at all today.
No, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, we have filed a miscase, Lordship,
for amendment of a petition.
Yes, you have objection. You've been served copy.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. I have no objection.
Yes. Will allow or not?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have no
But
objection.
I have no
you have objection or not? You are entitled to file your
Yes.
objection to this amendment application.
Because Your Lordship, it is the prayer part is very.
No, if you have objection, we'll allow you. That is your right.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
To file
Then
objection amendment.
even Your Lordship, after 3rd August, matter can be fixed, Your Lordship. Because I am going out from out of station.
So how many panel advocates are here?
Others are there, but I can.
Yes.
Because 2 days, because they cannot send, Your Lordship. I can send it today.
Yes, this is an application. Miss case. Miss case number 157.
7, Your Lordship.
Okay,
157.
25 in WC number 386/2024. Stop. This is an application for amendment of writ petition in WC number 386 filed by the amendment is sought to be inserted in the prayer portion of the writ petition. Stop. MS Ezra Chaji submits previously without some time to file objection to the prayer for amendment. Is this after?
After 5th.
After 3 weeks, okay. 3 weeks should cover, I think.
Yes, Your Lordship.
33.
This is a service matter, my lord. It pertains to the petitioner not being considered for promotion, my lord. On account of...
You are there for the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship, for the state respondent. For the state respondent, Your Lordship.
Yes. You ready with the matter?
No, Your Lordship, my conductor.
You?
Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter.
Why, Mr. Khan?
Learned AAG Learned AAG is on legs before court number 4 for a part heard matter.
Who's AAG? Mr. Shulai?
Mr. Shulai. I'm praying if this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
What to do?
Okay, my lord.
The part heard matter is very long. 2 weeks is going to take. Yes. Mr. A.R. Khan prays that the matter be adjourned for the day in view of the fact that the arguing, the EAG is not available at the moment. At least after 2 weeks.
Deeply.
Hi, Jobridge.
Today I thought it would be a heavy day. Not in one hearing matter, but